Well, I ran into a cool program quite a long time ago called RufzXP, which is strange. It's actually an abbreviation for a German word I'm not going to even attempt to pronounce. And I've delayed really downloading and trying out this program because I wasn't quite ready to uh, really focus on learning to recognize call signs. And learning call signs is much more difficult than learning to recognize words, primarily because they're very random relative to words, and additionally you have to deal with recognizing numbers. And what's kind of neat about this application is it's designed to uh, easily force you to go faster and faster if you let it. And the default behavior is that if you get an answer right, it'll generally start speeding up. If you get it wrong, it'll start speeding or slowing down. And it's very flexible. The other thing I was not expecting when I first tried out this software is the fact that the tone changes frequency essentially after um, every block of letters or call signs or numbers that it gives you. And I have only been practicing with a tone of 700 hertz, and so it was much more difficult than I was expecting to initially deal with that changing frequency. I've gotten quite a bit better. It didn't take that much practice to get used to it. And so for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to demonstrate using letters since I'm far more proficient just with some random letters compared to adding in the numbers. So we can see how fast I'll go. And I have it configured to give me up to 30. So let's give her a go and see what happens. And initially, because it does track, it could even be within your household. It asks for your call sign so you can see who has the top score. So it's gamified, and I kind of like that. I think this is the only Morse code program that really tries to gamify it, and so you can even compete against people around the world. I'm nowhere near that, and I think the world record is somewhere around 170 words a minute. I have no idea how they achieve that. And I'm pretty proficient at 15 words a minute, so we'll go ahead and start there. And I'm not getting off to a great start, but if you need to try to hear it again, it does give you an opportunity to hear it one more time. Your score goes down, but in real life, you oftentimes hear call signs twice in a row, so it tries to make it realistic. It's definitely starting to get harder as it ramps up in speed, and I definitely need some help on this one. I know, I got that one wrong, but that's okay. It's starting to get smoking fast now. It is getting so hard. I only have a few more to go, so I won't torture you. Okay, and so it gives you a little breakdown at the end of the run. You see that I ranked 6 out of all the times that I've been playing with this program, and it gives you a score. So I scored 1,464 points. I missed 18 call signs. I reached a max speed of 26 words a minute, which is smoking fast relative to what I normally practice at, which is up to 20 words a minute. It gets really super difficult at anywhere near that speed, but it's cool. And anyway, I thought you would enjoy seeing how this program works. I guess I could mention that it also gives you an opportunity to look at all the times that you've played with the program and see how you're doing most likely compared to yourself.